Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Wise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device. And once you open it up, proceed with logging into your account using your credentials or your biometrics. After you have logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can directly start sending money. Now, if you wish to delete your account, click on the account icon at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Privacy and Security, and now you will see the Close Account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be given a warning about the features you will miss out on. Tap on I'm okay with that, and now you will be asked for a reason. After choosing your reason, tap on Close Account, and then you will see the option to chat with an agent. Tap on the Continue with Account Closure option, and now you will be asked to enter your password in order to verify your identity. After you enter your password and proceed forward, you may also be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone or your email. After entering this verification code and proceeding forward, you will be logged out from your account on Wise and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Now, if you don't log in for another 2 weeks, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.